Hello guys, this is Mr. Mojo, and today I'm gonna show you how to properly remove the background of a picture. Yeah? Super easy. Let's poke the picture here. Let's do it like this. You see on the right side, you see libraries, adjustments, properties. You go down, you have quick actions, you do remove background. Again. You see? Undo. Let's do it again. If you go down here at the picture, you can do the same. Okay. Now, if you look at the picture and you see the sword, you see there's a piece missing. So now we must find a solution for this, yeah? And I found a solution in the end. You go to select, you go to select and mask, yeah? You can change the color in everything you want right here. I like red, so I keep it on red. You go to this tool, quick selection tool. You leave it on plus. You go to the piece where the sword is missing, and you do like this. And that's it. So it's a really easy solution, to be honest. And I thought I'm gonna share it with you guys, yeah? Are you satisfied? You press OK, and that's it. So yeah, have a nice day, guys.